Welcome back. In this session we will cover how to save your Power BI report. To do that you have to go to the file, and from here we're gonna click on save as. We can save it here in the document file, it's okay, but you're gonna see here we have an extension of PBIX. And why is this extension? Because that one gonna allow you to reopen and edit the report later. Here we're gonna name it, for example, sales report, and then I'm gonna hit on save. And we can verify this. Here inside the documents folder we have sales report with the extension of Microsoft Power BI. In case you wanted to go and publish your report, for now you want to go to the file and click on the publish, which it will take you to the workspace of your work. So you need to sign in. After you're gonna click here on publish Power BI. Do you want? Yes, let me save it. I have here to put or insert my working email, and that one it will take me to the available workspace inside my work. I'm gonna choose the desired workspace, and after the upload I have to verify that, and I can find my report there on top of Power BI service. Right now I already signed with my working email, and here he asking me which version of Power BI you want to use. I will go with the first option, Power BI. Then I'm gonna hit OK, which it will take you to this one to sign in to an organization. You have here to provide your working email with the domain of your work. Unfortunately, Power BI doesn't accept personal email domain like Gmail, Yahoo or Outlook for Power BI service account. If you don't have a work email, considering using Microsoft 365 personal subscription to create an. In meantime, you can use this page, Power BI page from Microsoft, and here you're gonna click on Start Free, which it will navigate you to this page, and from here you can start by entering your working email if you wanted to sign up for free. On the other hand, if you wanted to sign up for Microsoft 365 family or business, you have to go and create a personal domain based email. But anyhow, from here or there, by end of day, I think you wanted to have a domain based email based on your working place, to go to the file and hit on the publish. So from there you can publish your report to the Power BI, and from there you can share this kind of reports with different team members and have a feedback from your team. That's basically the idea of how to save your report for now on your local computer. And basically, if you wanted to publish all you should have a domain based email. In the next session we will dive into advanced interactive feature like slicer and drill through to enhance your dashboard. See you there.